Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and thank you so much for your likes, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then go to our channel and watch all the videos. And if you're liking the videos, then go hit the subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. For the ones who want additional services, you can always WhatsApp the team on 7892652481 to know what are the additional services, and the team will reply you. Also, you can go to www.smarttrader.co so that you can get to know all the information directly over here. And for the ones who open account through us, either Zerodha, Upstock or 5 Paisa, then you will be added to our new private Telegram channel. This is new, so you will be added to it. Also, you will get 3 strategy videos so that you can trade on your own. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's video. So today's video is about swing trading strategy, a basic strategy for all the beginners. So all the experts, you guys are doing a good job, so concentrate on it and keep the discipline to make consistent profit. For all the beginners who have not yet entered into positional trading, or you're planning to make positional trading, then you don't have any idea, then I thought this would be best for you guys. And if you guys have not yet watched this video, RSI video relative strength index, then go forward and watch this video to have some basic knowledge of what is RSI. Once you see this video and once you understand this video, let's use this video for this short-term strategy. So it's a very basic strategy. So it's very simple. First of all, you need to keep the chart. This is a Zerodha application I'm showing you guys. I'm keeping 1-day chart just to show you guys, and I'm using RSI of 14 period. Okay, 14 period itself. And over here I'm not keeping 80-20, I'm keeping 70 and 30. Okay, and candlestick itself. So we have the RSI over here. So what do you do in this basic strategy if you don't have time to do intraday trading? You don't have time to watch the market constantly and buy and sell, and so you need to do a short-term trading where you can make 5%, 10% profit of your capital on a monthly basis or 2 months, 3 months basis, instead of keeping in the bank and getting 7%. So this strategy, a basic idea, will give you an idea. Now what you need to do is just go to Google and type RSI between 20 to 30. So as you know, strategies are not magic. These are created by humans. So these are observations. So you need to observe the market. This is not recommended for you guys to do buy and sell. This is just an observation so that you observe and learn from this, and then you can take your own decisions. So I always go to Economic Times, as you know, my best website. So RSI between 20 to 30, that is Economic Times itself. So it will take you directly to the section of RSI between 20 and 30. Okay. So these are the stocks whose RSI is between 20 to 30 on a daily basis. This is not like 10 minutes, 1 minute. This is on a day basis. The RSI is 25, 28, 28, 27. So it's below 30 and between 20. So 20 to 30, between 20 to 30. So what you need to do is, in these stocks, you can bet on any of these stocks. You can have an observation on these stocks, but I would prefer go to better stocks and on well-known stocks. For example, if I take here Ambuja Cements, I'll just show you an example. This you can do after market also, whenever you're free on a Sunday or Saturday. You can just open and I'm just going to my kite. I'm just pasting this name. Too lazy to type. Oh, this is MacBook. Okay, so I got Ambuja Cements. Okay, I'm adding Ambuja Cements. I'll just show you the graph of Ambuja Cements. So this is how it looks. See, currently Ambuja Cements is 28, and if you see Ambuja Cements, it says 28. So currently on a daily basis, the RSI is between 28. So the price is in oversold. Okay, oversold section. So as per the video, what I've thought in RSI, that too many people have sold the shares. There's a chance of buying the shares. There is a chance that this will go up to 70. Maybe 15 days, maybe 1 day, 1 month, or maybe 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. It has to go back until and unless there is a bad news on the stock and the stock is going to close away. This company is going to close. which is very rare. 99.9% it won't happen. So in those situations, the stocks, the stock is in this range. Okay, so today you are buying this stock. For example, you're buying the stock at 203. After a month or 2 months, the stock goes up. It can go up till here, over here, or maybe here also. But for example, 203 rupees stock, 2 rupees is 1%, right? And positional trading, when you're putting money in positioning, for example, you have 1 lakh or you have 5 lakh, 10 lakh rupees. For 1 lakh rupees, we're making 10%, that is 20 rupees on the stock. You're buying at 203 and 223, you're selling after a month or after a week. Depends on your luck. Maybe in a 2 days or 3 days also it may go up, maybe after a month or 2 months. So you're making 10,000 profit on 1 lakh rupees, or maybe 1 lakh profit on a 10 lakh rupees capital. So instead of putting in bank and getting the 7% or 6% for a year, this is how positional trading, I would say swing trading, a short-term trading. So this is a short-term trading. So if it's a positional trading, then you need to wait for 1 year, 2 years. It's a long-term, considering the price will go somewhere else. So this is short-term, this is a swing. So I'm just taking the opportunity over here. And once this goes to 70, I would suggest you to sell. Okay, but for all the beginners, if you are considering this, have an observation that once you get 5%, that is 10 rupees, or maximum 20 rupees, okay, start selling the stock. Make 5 to 10% exit, and then consider the next stock. Again, go to Google, search, see the latest stock, which is the latest stock for that particular day, and then go to the chart, see over here, buy to the current price, consider, and then buy to the current price, and wait. If it goes 10, 15, 20 rupees down, wait for it to go back, because there are chances that this will go back again. It will take some time. But risk traders, people who knows better other technicals and fundamentals of the stock, you can definitely wait from here to this level. Once it touches the 70, I would suggest you to exit and make that big profit over there, maybe 15, 20, 30% profit over there. So you can exit in 70, but for beginners, keep discipline, avoid greediness. It's a swing trading, short-term trading. So once it fetches you, based on your capital, if it gives you 5 to 10%, exit and then move on to next stock. Or also, if you have, for example, 5 lakh, 10 lakh rupees, you can divide and then bet on other stocks, and you need to wait every day. 5 minutes, open your account, check your holdings, see how the stock is performing, see how it is going on a daily basis. Your portfolio, has it crossed 5%, 10%, exit. Risk traders, wait for it. So I hope this simple basic idea will help most of my beginners. So you guys get a basic idea. If you don't have no time for intraday, no issues. You can observe this for a month, write down 3-4 stocks in a book, and observe after a month or 1.5 months where the stock goes. At least, is it giving you 5%, 10%, or 20, 50%? Just have a check on it. Once you feel it is good, take your own decisions of buying and selling. I will not recommend anybody anything. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you guys, then hit that like button and also share this video to all your friends, so that even let them learn this basic thing. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.